today we do slime. Subscribe.
This is the slime. What color is that?
This one purple, this one green, this one, what is this?
White.
White, and this one pink. Got inside, got some animals inside the slime, so we can make slime.
And then what's this?
And this one is for the slime.
And then in glitters. Glitters what color? Silver.
And golden.
Okay, good job.
And some ice. More snowflake. Snowflake, but that colorful, more whiter. But we got some small cups and some stick and some a big white container. So let's start. Oh, the shark. We need to put here.
Okay, you can use the stick. You can use a stick.
No, I can use my hand. Wait. Ah! Shaky! Oh, you can go a shark. There. Shark, you got slime on you. Sharky! I found ya. Okay, this. Look at this shark. I get it. Because this shark. The shark got this and got the fin. So I put it here. Listen, huh?
Okay, and then you put what else you put inside?
Come out.
You can mix the color, Hannah.
Is so gooey. It's so sweet. Yeah, just. I like this butterfly come out. Oh, this butterfly will come out. You don't go into the glue. And you cover up like this sticky shark. Okay, butterfly. Now go it.
What color is that?
Purple. Hers stays green because inside the green.
12 seconds later.
Guys, look what behind us on the butterfly bag. Look. Shark did not have so we choose this. Let's go in.
So we put the green color.
This butterfly more deeper. Oh, come on.
You need to put inside. You need to put inside so many layers, okay? It's a little bit only. Mommy help you.
Yes. Okay. Stick one. Wow. Yeah, this one will stick here.
Pick up this one. You serve it.
Oh, first. Okay.
Okay, serve it.
Next, we do a seashell. What is coming a rainbow?
Pick up the seashell. Go hurry up, pick it, serve it.
Oh no, can I breathe?
It's much deeper inside there.
Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. This is almost done. Yep. Almost done, seashell. Next, we mix the slime. Gooey. Friends, can you help me? Sure, I help you. It's too big. Can you help me? Oh,
I'll hold for you.
I can do it.
So you mix it. Okay.
Okay. Can I get? Whee! I'll help you. Look. I'm going to put it out. Yeah. 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 Better.
Okay.
Whoa!
So now I want you to put what color you want to put.
Now we put together
All the glitter.
all the glitter. I can make a love.
Yeah, you can design with a love.
Like, I can draw some big love. Done.
So what next, Hannah?
Oh, where's the cover? Oh, there you are.
So what's next? So tell me what's next. So what's the color?
Is what?
Silver.
Silver. The silver. Hey! No. Hey.
Oh, sun.
Mom! It's like a cat.
You need to push harder. How about the shiny snowflake?
Okay, now, wait, we're making a cake.
So you're making a slimy cake?
Yep.
Okay, where's the alphabet? Oh, what's that? Alphabet.
Now we do squishing time. Ooh, so squishy. Woo, ow.
Now squish it with mommy.
Oh, we mix something. Ah, not like that. Some potatoes. there's a blue butterfly. And close them. Oh no! Take it off. Oh no! It's trap again. Here.
What are you doing?
I'm opening this animals.
Where's the animal?
Here at my hand.
Oh no.
Oh no.
So these are the slime.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.